Hey everyone, welcome back to Trailbreaker. On my last video, I went and made some changes to my Trek Fuel EX. I put on a shorter stem, I slacked the head tube angle a half a degree with a reverse components angle spacer. I recently also changed my cranks from 175 to 170 millimeter DUB Carbon cranks. So I've made it shorter and slacker, and because I've got the clearance now with the pedals, I'm going to try my Mino link in the low position, which makes it even lower and even slacker. So today is the first ride with all the changes, and we'll see if it makes any difference, and if it does, is it an improvement? Let's find out. Man, I'm about an hour into the ride. This thing feels like a brand new bike. Just that little tiny bit lower in that bike. It feels like it just corners like crazy. And the front end being just a little bit further out front, just feels like it just soaks up these roots and buttons. Woo! All right, I can feel that 65-degree head angle in the climbs like that, but I'll take it. It's worth it. Holy crap. So obviously everything that I did on this build is aimed at helping it go faster downhill and be able to corner better. So it did that in spades. I had some of my fastest times, and these are my home trails I've been riding for years. And the trails that were super flowy and really twisty, where you're just kind of surfing in and out of trees, I had actually some PRs on trails I ride every time I come out and ride. And it was because I was able to get the bike leaned over and get into the bike. I didn't feel like I was on top of the bike. And when you slacken out the head tube, you know, between the angle spacer and dropping the Mino link down, which also kind of raked it out a little bit, you can't turn the bars to corner. You have to lean that bike over to get it to go. And being that the bike is now lower, it kind of feels like when you're skiing and you're just kind of going from one edge to the other. It feels really good, and it's fun to go fast. And I can't tell you how many times I was going into corners thinking I was going too fast and just got that sweet two-wheel drift, and then it would just kind of grip and catch. Just awesome. Got goosebumps thinking about it. I guess the only drawback is well, I could feel it in the climbs. If it was a really steep technical climb, the front end was definitely wanting to wander, and I just had to kind of prop myself up on the nose of the saddle and kind of choke up my grip to try to keep that front weighted. Otherwise, it would want to kind of lift up on me. But unless you're riding cross country, if you're going out there and your goal is to go as fast as you can and have as much fun going downhill and corner, man, I would highly suggest, you know, looking into making some changes on your bike. If you have any questions about what I did, you know, please leave it in the comment section down below. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're like me and refuse to act your age, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.